your top 11 Miss America delegates.
Unbelievable. Are you all ready? Okay, now let's welcome back Allison Philippone from EY to present us with the results of our semifinal competition and reveal our top 5 finalists.
All right. Thank you so much. From the judges to Allison, from Allison to my hands, it is now time to announce the top 5.
Ladies and gentlemen, the moment we've all been waiting for, announcing the top 5 finalists for Miss America 2025. Remember, this is in no particular order. Our first finalist is Tennessee, Carley Vogel.
Joining her in the top 5, please welcome Miss Alabama, Abby Stockard.
Next up, Texas, Annette Adeomo.
Our next contestant has come a long way, but she did not have to come a long way tonight. Welcome, Miss Florida, Kasana Fink.
Oh, you're increasing the drama, aren't you? There he goes. There he goes.
Getting nervous. You got a fan? Carl, fan me down. Fan me down, Carl. Woo. Woo, my nerves. Thank you so much, Carl. Oh, my nerves. I'm getting anxious.
How do you think they feel?
I know. I just feel, ladies and gentlemen, can we give it up for all of them? Fantastic. Fantastic. Man.
I know.
All right, you got to do it. Please, you got to do it, Nikki. You got to do it.
Our final finalist tonight is Miss Ohio, Stephanie Benotti.
Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Congratulations to our top 5 Miss America delegates for moving on to the finals. Congratulations to all of our delegates for making it this far. We only have one more round of competition that remains tonight before we crown our new 2025 Miss America.
Yes, we are down to the last few moments of our 2025 competition, and our final 5 only have hot topics remaining between them and the crown. Please, one more time, give it up for your top 5 finalists. All right.
Now, as we get ready to go into the final phase of competition, it's time for the hot topics. These ladies have already shown us so much tonight, but only one of these final 5 can take home the crown. We would like to welcome back to the stage Allison Philippone from EY with our final 5 questions. It's time to get this started. Thank you so much, Allison. Here we go. All right. First up, Tennessee. Carley, as a role model for young people, how do you maintain a balance between personal authenticity and the expectations placed on you in the public eye?
Growing up with a chronic illness, it was incredibly hard to manage my disease and also staying authentic to myself. I think that being a role model to young girls, being a role model to our little sisters is incredibly valuable as Miss America. And I will do just that as the national title holder while endorsing my community service initiative, Donate Life, and advocating for the over 100,000 Americans awaiting an organ donation. Thank you.
Next up, Miss Alabama, Abby Stockard. Hi, Abby. How do you define success, and what steps are you taking to achieve it in your personal and professional life?
Success is defined as setting clear and attainable goals. I believe in order to be successful, you have to overcome obstacles. It's about adapting to changes, prioritizing your task, staying focused, disciplined, and consistent. These are skill sets that I've acquired from competing in the Miss America opportunity. And as Miss America, I'm ready for the ups and downs and everything that is involved in being successful in this opportunity.
Next up, Texas. Annette, what does empowerment mean to you? And how do you empower others in your community?
Empowerment is the foundation of the Miss America opportunity. Its mission is to empower women to lead. And as the next Miss America and brand ambassador, not only will I empower women to pursue their dreams and pursue their goals, but empower individuals with disabilities like my younger brother. I stand here today because my parents were empowered to move to this country and pursue the American dream. And I'm the living I'm the living embodiment of that sacrifice. And I'm ready to do that starting tomorrow after some food as Miss America.
Next up, Miss Florida, Cassana Fink. What qualities do you think make a great leader, and how do you embody those qualities in your own life?
Oh, sorry. As someone who owns 2 businesses, I've really had to learn how to be a good leader. And I think the heart of that is knowing what you're good at and learning how to delegate tasks. What's also really important is authenticity and making sure that when you wake up every single day that you're doing what you love and you're putting your best foot forward. As a business owner, I have learned that without the village around me, there is no way that I would have found success. And leaning into that has really made the biggest difference. Thank you.
Next up, Ohio. Stephanie, how do you think we can encourage more young people to get involved in their communities and make a positive impact?
All my life, I have been underestimated. I felt within me that I had the fire to be a leader, but when I wanted to become a scientist, I was told I wasn't smart enough and I was too feminine. And when I wanted to become Miss America, I was told I didn't fit the look of a Miss America. And so I would inspire young kids to become community leaders by saying that if they don't see a representative of themselves in their community, they can create that leader themselves and inspire the next generation of leaders as well. And that is what I will do as your next Miss America.
And there you have it. One of those 5 young ladies on stage will be your next Miss America. Again, what an incredible group of strong and intelligent women. And thank you for those answers.
Now let's take one last look at our top 5 as they show off their final looks and go get ready for awards. Give it up for your top 5.
And there you have it, folks. There they go. Our incredible last 5 delegates here on finals night. In just a few moments, one of these ladies on stage will become our new 2025 Miss America. Good luck.
We want to quickly thank our countless number of volunteers behind the scenes, but especially the delegate coordinators who keep the contestants engaged, on time, on track, and most importantly, fully fed throughout this competition. And of course, thank you to our Miss America's Scholarship Society for their generous donations to our scholarship program.
Absolutely. And finally, we would like to thank the team behind the scenes here at the Dr. Phillips Center for Performing Arts for their year-round efforts to support the Miss America and Miss America teen competitions live on the Walt Disney Theater stage. This is a beautiful stage, the bright lights, an amazing team behind it, and we're so appreciative to be back here once again. The Miss America organization has been so fortunate to snag 2 of the best choreographers in the game, and we'd also like to take a moment to thank them right now. Where's Mikey and where's Rudy? We got to show them love.
2 of the funniest choreographers on the planet, by the way.
They never come out when it's this time. Mikey and Rudy, where are you guys?
They love the stage otherwise.
Absolutely.
There they are.
Mikey, Rudy.
We love you.
You've seen their work on stage. Now remember, when all of these delegates came, they didn't know these dances. Mikey and Rudy have been showing them dances, choreography, and all of the moves all week long, and it's been inspiring to watch. Their client list is really impressive. They worked with everybody from Rihanna to Joe Jonas, Jennifer Lopez, and many more, and we're so grateful to have them back here this week. And they hosted one of the shows. Which one? Mikey, Rudy?
I believe
they did the talent show.
Yeah. Showing off his talents as a host.
Absolutely. Make sure you check out their full resumes on Miss America's Facebook page. Thank you so much to our choreographers.